Okay, so I am going to try and show you how to log into Flipgrid, since that's what we'll be using to kind of communicate back and forth with our counseling lessons. So the link that I send you will bring you to this screen. So this DBM student, this code will be different depending on what school you go to. Um, so it might say DGE student or student EHS. So what we're going to do now is log on with Microsoft. So you're going to go to the red button. Let's click on it. Okay. So you're going to use your student ID. So I don't know what it's going to look like for you, but I'm going to click on Marissa Hilzer. So what you're going to do, see, I use my name, but you're going to use your student ID. So you're going to put the student ID here and then at leusd.k12.ca.us. And then I think that your password is your birthday. So it would, if your birthday was May 5th, 2004, you would put 04052004. So whatever your birthday is, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and then 4-digit year, I believe. So I'm going to use mine to sign in. Stay signed in. You can either do yes or no. I think yes, you won't have to sign in again, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so this is the page. So this is for my David Brown students. And all will be similar. So I did a quick little hello video, so you could watch the quick video. It's just saying hi. We can play it here. Maybe. I don't know why it's not working, but anyhow, that should play. We'll play it.
Amazing students. I hope you and your families are doing well. This platform.
Oops. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing.
As well.
Okay, and so you can either reply, and you would hit allow, so here I am, and so then you would send or do your own little video to reply. So let's see. 3, 2, 1. Hi, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Bye. Pause. You can add stickers. Okay, accessories. Here, maybe I'll just put a little mask on me. I don't know. So you can just have fun. Just click on all of these. I don't know what they all do. Photo sticker, add a custom sticker, filters, different filters. So yeah, if you don't want your face to be seen, that's kind of cool. Then you'd hit next, or you can redo your video. You can edit your video. I don't know how to do that. Maybe you guys do. Next. You take a selfie. So you just follow all these steps. Selfie. Oops. Okay. And you can maybe write a word. Hey. Next. So all of that, and then you'd submit your video. I'm going to cancel this so it's not on there, but oops. Oh, are you sure you want to exit recording? I'm going to confirm. But so you can either, after the video, you can click this to reply, or you can click this record a response button right there. And so I hope that, so that you would go, yeah, same thing, allow your camera. So hopefully that made sense. You can email me if you have questions, and hopefully this will work for us. Okay.